Fast break from the left hand. Enriquez is there for the football.
There for the football. Pero deep na si Castor for the corner three. Jared Castor hits that three-point.
Sabi niya si Flores, laro lang ng bata umatake at 12 na.
Soriano fronting. On Wolverine Sidney. On Wolverine throwing up a triple.
Joseph is not known as a three-point shooter. Pero itong si Cross.
Hindi na mapasok ito ng Letran Heights. Si Andoy Estrella. At may foul na tinawag dito.
Just a better complete that factor play.
Drives it down low to Ilagan. Ilagan for three. Ilagan is on fire.
Long distance three. Ginamitan pa ng bantay. Lista mo na. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center sa lungsod ng San Juan ay isa na namang paghahandog ng pinakaunang Collegiate Basketball League sa Pilipinas. This is Season 93 of your NCAA at isang magandang Martes po ang aming inihahandog sa inyo. And because we are NCAA strong this season, tatlong umaatikabong bakbakan po ang inyong mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. Una po dyan, it is going to be the Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knights looking to bounce back against the EAC Generals. The Generals, on the other hand, want to add up to their wins. Pangalawang laro naman po, it's gonna be the defending champions, the San Pedro Red Lions, going up against the much-improved College of St. Benilde Blazers. At ang ating ikatlong laro, ngayong araw na ito, rounding up the triple header that we are going to have today, it is going to be the Arellano Chiefs and of course the JRU Heavy Bombers. Muli, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. We are live here on SNA HD, and of course, for those of you who are watching abroad, TFC.tv and live streaming at sports.abs-cbn.com. Ako po si Martin Javier, naglilingkod sa inyo ngayong hapon na ito. At syempre, makakasama ko rin, Strength and Conditioning Specialist and Coach, Martin Antonio, a.k.a. Coach Hammer. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Coach.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Martin. Magandang araw ng basketball na naman, mga kapamilya. Makikita natin, isa sa ating dalawang nalalabing undefeated teams ay maglalaro ngayong tanghaling ito.
Tama ka dyan, Martin. Letran Knights and the EAC Generals will battle it out. Letran gustong makapanalo at ang EAC naman ayaw pang matalo dito sa ating season. Pero speaking of the wins and the losses, atin munang tignan ang ating updated team standings after the eventful Friday that we had. Coach Hammer.
Nasabi ko nga, Martin, ang LPU Pirates na mamayagpag sa ating liga ngayon, big win against the San Pedro Red Lions last Friday. 2-0 sila. Ang EAC Generals, ang kanilang unang laro, nakuha nila kalaban ng College of St. Benilde Blazers. At ito, dikit-dikit ng ibang mga teams na may tagi-isang talo. Ang Perpetual Health Altas ang nasa pinakababa na may dalawang talo.
Ayan nga, nakikita nyo, isa na lang ang, o dalawang kupunan na lang ang undefeated dito, LPU Pirates and EAC Generals. Pero punta na natin yung dalawang kupunan na maglalaro ngayon. Doon muna tayo sa Intramuros side of things for the Letran Knights. They lost the Battle of Intramuros against the Mapua University Cardinals, but they got a bright spot. Coach Martin, sinambatak man nag-struggle nung larong yon, si Jeric Balanza naman ang nag-step up sa kanila.
Nasabi mo nga si Reynang Batak, markado nitong season na ito. Last year, one of our top scorers nung si Reynang Batak. Pero right now, it was Jeric Balanza who had a career game. Napakaganda ng inilaro ng batang ito, turning into a man. A career game, 15 points. Napakaganda ng numero na yan. 5 out of 11 sa field goals. Dalawang 3-pointers ang nayabag niya. Dagdagan mo pa ng isang assist at isang rebound.
Jeric Balanza is a player to watch out for dito sa ating season for the Letran Knights. And let's see if he could lead them to their first victory of the season. Of course, that was heartbreaking, yung una nilang pagkatalo. Dahil they were in the lead in most parts of the game. Kaya titignan natin kung ano mangyayari against the EAC Generals. Samantala, para naman sa Generals, kay Coach Ariel Season, lumipat naman tayo sa kabilang dako. nung una nilang laro against the CSP Blazers, nagpakitang gilas agad sila. They led by as much as 24 points in that game at nanalo sila by 10. At they were very dominant, particularly inside, courtesy of the performances from Hamadou Laminu and Sydney Onwubere.
Nasabi mo nga, parang buy one, take one ngayong pananghalian itong nilaro ng dalawang big guys nila. Parehas double-double. Hamadou Laminu, 21 points, 13 boards, 7 blocks. Napakalaki niyan. Dinagdagan pa ni Sydney Onwubere ng 11 points, 14 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals at isang block. Stat sheet stopper. Kaya naman, ang kanilang field goals napakataas, 45% compare sa 25% lang nitong College of St. Benilde.
Si Sydney Onwubere na nga ang nagsabi, Coach Martin, that it's now or never for the EAC Generals. They want to make a mark this season. They want to make the Final Four and hopefully go all the way. Pero, meron muna tayong ipapakilala bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating broadcast. Meron tayong ipapakilala ang pinakabagong miyembro ng ating broadcast team. In her first game today, let's all welcome to the NCAA family, Miss Princess Legaspi.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much. Hello po mga kapamilya. Thank you so much to Coach Hammer and Martin. Yes, this is my first courtside reporting stint, and I'm very privileged and excited to be here. But before anything else, let's have our question of the day. So, ilabas niyo po ang inyong mga mobile phones at inyong mga tablet. At ang ating question for today is, kung bibigyan nyo ng bagong pangalan ng inyong team, ano yon? Yan. So kung meron po kayong comments or suggestions, don't forget to post with our hashtag NCAA Season 93 and hashtag NCAA Strong. Okay, so Coach Hammer and Martin, sample naman dyan.
Okay, sige. Nakaka-pressure ka naman, Princess. Pero sige, si Coach Hammer muna. Coach Hammer.
Ako wala akong papalitan honestly. Dahil may tradition marami ng tradition tong mga teams na to. At nakadugtong na dyan yung mga kampyonato, mga iba't iba pang mga parangal na nakuha nila.
Okay, sige, wala kang papalitan.
Ikaw, anong babaguhin mo?
Ako, pwede tayo kasing maging witty dito, Coach Hammer. At dahil malapit na tayo magsimula dito, itatanong ko sa inyo, Jay, are you ready to start the game right now? Diba? Ganda.
Pwede.
Ganda. Okay.
Pang noon time.
Tama. O siya, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Magsisimula na po pagkatapos ng aming break ang laban ng Colegio de San Juan de Letra Knights kontra dito sa EAC Generals. Huwag kayong aalis. Magbabalik ang live coverage ng NCAA Season 93 dito lamang sa SNA.
Gentlemen, and welcome back here at the Phil Oil Flying V Center for another game day of the NCAA Season 93, brought to you by ABS-CBN SNA. For our first match in the seniors division today, it's the Colegio de San Juan de Letra Knights going up against the Emilio Aguinaldo College Generals. And now, let's call out the starters. First, for the Letran Knights. At center, number 5, Tristan Pamulaklakin. At point guard, number 8, J.P. Calvo. At power forward, number 18, Jero Ambohot. Small forward, number 19, Bon Quinto. And at shooting guard, number 6, Ray Nambatak. Their head coach is Jeff Napa. And now make way for the starting lineup of the EAC Generals. And shooting guard, number 47, Jerome Garcia. Center, number 15, Hamadou Laminu. Small forward number 2, Juju Bautista. Power forward number 1, Sydney Onwubere. And at point guard number 12, Francis Monsayak. Their head coach is Ariel Season. Officials for the ball game are Nestor Zambrano, Edgar Ortiz.
Samantala, nagbabalik tayo dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center to start off this game of the Letran Knights and the EAC Generals. Ito ang starting lineup para sa larong ito for the Letran Knights. JP Calvo, Ray ng Batak, Pamulaklakin, ang Bohot, and Bong Quinto. Interestingly, Coach Jeff Napa's not starting Christian Balagasay today. Sa kabila naman, it's gonna be Francis Monsayak, Garcia, Lamino, Juju Bautista, the newcomer, and of course, Sydney Onwoberia rounding up the 5 for Coach Ariel Season. This is gonna be the second game for both teams. Papasok na tayo ng ating first quarter of this game. Again, this is the battle between the Colegio de San Juan de Letran and of course the Emilio Aguinaldo College Generals. Our officials for today, Nestor Zambrano, Roberto Chica, Edgar Opina, and fourth man Eric Pinheiro. Here's Garcia being inserted in the starting lineup, and right away Coach Martin scoring for EAC.
Oo, di ginamit yung ball screen na yun. Sweep, dribble, going to the baseline, get a good spin, Martin papunta sa paint, at nakakuha siya ng basket.
So very interesting, in a second game in a row, dalawang sentro ang ginagamit ni Coach Jeff Napa nung unang laro. Si Palagasay at ang Bohot. Ngayon naman si Pamulaklakin ang kanyang nilagay sa starting lineup. Kaskabay ni Jeyo ang Bohot. Samantala, very evident here the improved shooting, of course, of Sydney Onwubere starting off the game with a triple.
Nakausap ko nga siya before ng ating laro, Martin. Sabi ko sa kanya, medyo mahaba yung off-season na nilaro mo dahil marami siyang liga na nilaruan. Ang sabi naman niya, pagka-ensayo, binibigyan siya ng leeway ni Coach Ariel na medyo magpahinga pagka nasa EAC siya. Pero dinagdag niya nga yung long-range shot na yan.
Sydney Onwubere, of course, did not shoot as much three-pointers last year. Nabanggit mo, marami siyang nilaro ang liga. Nakakuha siya ng kumpiyansa doon. And now, he has the license to shoot for the Generals. In the meantime, Reynam Batak taking a trip at the free throw line after a foul there. Jeff Napa, talagang tiwala dito sa kanyang start. Despite, of course, struggling in their first game. Only 5 out of 13 for 13 points itong si Reynam Batak.
Mas nakakagulat dun yung 13 beses lang siya tumira. Reynam Batak has been a volume scorer. Maraming tira para makakuha ng puntos last year. Nung nakaraang laro, 13 beses lang siya nakatira. Mai-account din natin yung sa ganda ng depensa ng Mapua University.
Of course, Reynam Batak, nakausap ko rin si Coach Jeff Napa nung bago magsimula yung laro. Of course, he is coming off an injury as well, so maybe he is adjusting, and hopefully, the coaching staff is hoping that he is 100% for this game, or he is at 100% for this game. Samantala, we have a foul again on EAC.
Back-to-back na yan sa ilalim. Kanina natawagan si Pamulaklakin. Ngayon, Jeyo ang Bohot naman on Hamadou Lamino dun sa seal. At ngayon, pag-crash ng boards na ito ni Sydney Onwubere.
Of course, Pamulaklakin and Jeyo ang Bohot will get the assignment of guarding the very top Hamadou Lamino. Last year, meron silang Felix Abrego, meron silang Job Soliano na talagang pumipigil sa foreign athletes ng kabilang kupunan. Pero ngayon, it's gonna be a test for these young guys para sa Letran. Calvo now. Gives it off to ang Bohot. Off glass, wala. Calvo gets it back. Oh, but passes it to the wrong man. Here's Garcia. On the break, Garcia gets Quinto. Garcia, diretso.
Di na niya inalintana yung ball stop doon ni Bong Quinto. At ito nakakuha pa ng turnover si Francis Monsayak. Napakabilis na siyam na puntos para dito sa EAC Generals. Wala pa tayong 3 minuto sa larong to.
Mainit na mainit ang panimula ng kupunan ni Coach Ariel Season. Tignan natin kung makakabawi ang Letran. Quinto, wala. Hustle for the board. Garcia, nakakuha ng bola. Oh, Calvo almost getting that steal. Here's Onwubere, putting it on the floor. Off the glass it is, Sydney Onwubere. At dahil dyan, namagana po ang itong kalamangan ng EAC Generals sa 8. May timeout dito si Coach Jeff Napa. Babalik kami dito sa SNA. Babalik tayo dito sa SNA. In the meantime, here's our Viva perfect shot, perfect selfie coming from Sydney Onwubere, going class in that sequence, Coach Martin.
Oo, at yung atake na yun on the early offense, one sweep move, kahit may kumukuha ng charge, Sydney Onwubere, alam nating umaatake yan ng ganyan kadiin every time.
At yan yung kanyang go-to move, Coach Martin, isang dribble lang, tapos tira agad sa ring. In the meantime, Munsaya scoring on the break. This is now a 10-point lead for the Generals.
Yung 10 puntos na yun, lahat nang galing sa pintura. Parang may extreme home makeover itong mga EAC Generals players.
Sa kabila naman, Hamadou Laminu, a.k.a. they gave him a double today with his first block off the game.
Miscommunication right there on the inbound play dito kay Gio Ambohot at kay Bong Quinto. Flat ang start ng Letran Knights.
Nice outlet from Garcia to Munsaya. Ito naman yung supal neto ni Hamadou Laminu on Gio Ambohot. Remember, he had 7 blocks in their opening win against CSB. Yan ang una niya ngayong hapon na ito. Munsaya, inaatake yung depensa ni JP Calvo. Bad pass, Nambatak gets it. Ray, may tangan ang bola. Oh, he loses the ball to Bautista. Onwubere naman ngayon sa kabila. Running the floor, Onwubere will be called for the travel.
Medyo napasama ang footing doon ni Sydney Onwubere.
See that play again, Onwubere. Losing control. Medyo nailang siya sa depensa ni JP Calvo.
Nakaapakan niya ng bahagya yung sapatos nito ni JP Calvo.
Samantala Palagasay also in, along with Macaro. Pinalitan na si Ambohot at si Pamulaklakin. Nambatak. They got the ball back. Calvo leans closer. Calvo gets the mid-range day.
Every shot that the point guard needs. From that elbow, one dribble, going to the elbow rather, galing sa taas. Ayun o, one dribble, sweep move, pulling up at the elbow. Malakoch T. White up, the pull-up jumper.
Calvo finding the opening that time. Walo pa rin po ang lamang dito ng EAC. Onwubere, pangalawang tres. Wala. Nambatak on the break. Oh, Munsaya! Sealing it away from the Stingray, and Munsaya will score his second basket of the game.
Napakaganda na simula ni Francis Monsayak. Nakakuha ng turnover kanina. Nakakuha ng ilang layups para dito sa EAC Generals.
Pangatlong basket na pala yan para dito kay Francis Munsaya. 6 points for him. 3 out of 3. Balanza, Pumeke, lumapit. Balanza, short. They get the ball back. Gray gets a screen from Bacaro. Nice pass inside to Palagasay. Palagasay with a follow-up.
Very impressive tong specimen na to, si Christian Palagasay. Mahaba, athletic. Parehas sila ni Bacaro, ni Ambohot. Pati si Balanza nandun sa bagong trend ngayon ng mga players sa mahaba na malilikse. Titignan natin paano sila made-develop ni Coach Jeff Napa.
And it looks like Christian Palagasay, Coach Martin, put on some weight in the off-season. Dahil last year, kung maalala natin, napakapayat nitong batang ito. And sloppy first quarter so far for Letran. Here's Onwubere. Wala yung tira niya. Bautista on the tip.
Talk about Juju Bautista. Kanina nakakuha yan ng dalawang tapik. Tapos nakakuha ng steal ngayon. Follow-up naman. Extra possessions guy. Magandang pang puno dun sa front line nila.
Back to the 10-point lead for the EAC Generals. Hamadou Laminu, second block off the game.
Ganda nung help side rotation na yun off the pick and roll. Hamadou Laminu right in the paint, taking that shot away. Dito sa Letran Knights. And taking shots, Juju Bautista. Very impressive, high energy guy.
Juju Bautista, of course, coming from California, joining the EAC Generals this season. 4 points right away for him.
Oo, kaya dapat ang basa sa doon, Juju.
Juju. Okay. Munsaya again with a steal. And he will finish all the way. Francis Munsaya, 8 points. to start off this game, Coach Martin.
Dagdag mo pa dyan yung 3 steals para sa Little General. Francis Monsayak, 8 puntos, 3 steals.
Magana itong lamang. 14 na hinahabol ng Letran. Wala pa rin mula kay Ray ng Bata. We have a couple of substitutions here. Ng Bata uupo muna. Bong Quinto papasok. And then si Tommy Gedaria.
6 na turnovers para sa Letran Knights. 4 doon galing sa agaw. 3 sa 4 galing kay Francis Monsayak at isang tapik ni Juju Bautista.
Juju
Oo,
Bautista.
medyo matagal uminit itong makina ng Letran Knights.
A little over 3 minutes left here in the first quarter. The AC Generals really jumping on the Letran Knights. Vacaro, naghahanap ng kakampi. Pinigay kay Quinto. Puts it on the floor. Blows by Onmu Bere. His shot was interfered by, of course, Hamadou Laminu.
Pangatlong supalpal na yan ni Hamadou Laminu. 7 supalpal ang kinuha niya nung una nilang laro. At nakakatuwa ang improvement nitong mama na ito. Nung dumating siya rito na season 91, pamalit lang siya dun sa kanilang isa pang foreign player. Pero ngayon nakikita mo na siya na talaga ang nagtitimon sa ilalim. Mythical 5 member natin yan last year, no? NCAA season 92.
Also, the defensive player of the year, Coach Martin. Balanza, in the meantime, short again for Letran. Their shots not falling right now. Talking about the Letran Knights. Onmu Bere surveying the floor, decides to shoot it. Balanza gets the rebound. Balanza sidesteps. Binigay kay Quinto. Pass interfered by Juju Bautista. Here's Garcia. No look pass to Onmu Bere, who goes all the way.
Great recognition there by Garcia to the streaking Sydney Onmu Bere. Yun ang gusto ng mga big guys eh. Pagka makakuha sila ng lane, bigyan mo naman. Talagang tatrabaho pa lalo yan.
Lang mas gaganahan yung mga big men if you reward them rather in transition. In the meantime, agaw na naman para dito sa EAC, but Letran gets the ball back. Balagasay or Bacaro rather goes off the glass and in. Para itigil itong run ng EAC. In the meantime, we have a timeout on the floor for Coach Ariel Season. We'll be back dito sa NCAA on SNA. Babalik tayo dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center for live coverage of the NCAA Season 93. At atin namang puntahan ngayon para sa kanyang pinakaunang report dito sa NCAA. Nariyan si Princess Legaspi. Princess?
Thank you so much, Coach Hammer and Martin. So kahit na natalo ang Letran Knights sa kanilang last game against Mapua, they're still eyeing on winning as many games as they can. According to Coach Jeff, hahayaan na lang niya dahil yun ang magdidictate kung saan sila mapupunta, and they really prepared for this game against EAC, who won against their game with CSD on their last game. So kahit na nasa kanila ang general dominance with their 2 key players, Sydney Onmu Bere and Hamadou Laminu, mas pinag-usayan pa nila ang kanilang gameplay, lalo na sa kanilang depensa. Sabi nga ni Coach Ariel, we are ready every day, we work every day, because this is our time. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Princess. Of course, for the EAC Generals, you know, their hard work paying off right now. And their communication as a team is showing here in the first quarter against Letran.
Ito yung pinaka-importanting balasa ni Coach Ariel Season as nakita natin nakabusto ng isang 3-pointer. Itong si Jetro Mendoza. But yung pagpalit ng second team from the first team, yun yung pinaka-importante. Kung kaya nilang i-sustain yung energy at yung effort, pati efficiency neto ng EAC Generals.
That will be tested today against Letran. But so far, so good. 17 points sa kanilang lamang. Mendoza, nasupalpal sa ilalim. Quinto, tumatakbo. Quinto! Mendoza tapping it away from Bong Quinto, but ball will remain with Letran. Ang 5 ngayon para dito sa Letran Knights. Jeff Getaria, Bong Quinto, Maui Bernabe, Christian Balagasay. Ito ang comparison dito kay Francis Monsayac from his
Okay.
last game, Coach Martin.
8 points, perfect and immaculate on his field goals. 3 agaw. Kumpara mo yan sa 9 na puntos. At napaka-anemic na 1 out of 8 shooting niya nung nakaraang laro. Francis Monsayac really wants to step up ngayong last year niya.
Oo. Nabanggit mo na rin, Coach Martin, of course, Francis Monsayac is one of the seniors of this team along with Sidney Almubere. Talagang gusto nilang i-lead itong EAC to a Final Four even, you know. Who knows? They might go all the way as well. 16 seconds.
Natatandaan ko pa nung naglalaro sa SBP yan, nung naglalaro na ako sa college.
Si Francis Monsayac. Tamo, naabutan pa niya, na-commentator ka na. In the meantime, smallest guy on the floor, Raymond Pascua, gets the follow-up as we end the first quarter. What a start for the EAC Generals. Our score 28-12, 16-point lead for them to start off this game. Of course, their leaders, Coach Martin, Francis Monsayac, nabanggit mo kanina, starting off hard, getting really aggressive on the defensive end, and finishing in transition as well.
Napakaganda ng kanilang simula, energy-wise, yung depensa nila nandoon, yung rotations, makikita mo pati yung help side defense, 3 supalpal para dito kay Hamadou Lamino. Ang ganda, napakaganda ng kanilang simula. Sustainability, yun ang tanong para dito sa EAC Generals.
Of course, Monsayac with 8 points, Onmubere with 7. Quinto naman sa kabila, leading Letran with 3 points. In the meantime, magbabalik po kami for the second quarter of this game dito sa NCAA on SNA.